audible.
Okay. Hi,
Hi, hello.
how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good as well. And
Okay.
can you tell me where are you from?
My name is Priya and I am from Haryana, currently living in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, so what do you do for
Uh,
living?
I'm a ho- I'm a homemaker.
Okay, okay, that's great. So, how long have you been
Um,
learning English?
uh, for a month, you can say.
Okay, 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 that's
Tell
great.
me
So,
something about yourself also.
okay,
Mm,
okay. My name is Sunil, and I'm also from Haryana. Originally, I'm from Haryana, but currently I live in Delhi, and I am a teacher. I used to teach in private school, and I have 13 years
Okay,
of teaching experience.
that's great.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So, can you tell me why do you want to learn English? What is the purpose behind learning English?
Okay. Actually, from my childhood, I was passionate about spoken English.
Okay,
That's the main reason. When I became mom, I thought that the first thing I would learn to my kid, English language.
okay,
So nowadays, he has a good knowledge of vocabulary. So
yeah, that's
now
great.
it's time for the more than words.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
So
So,
this
does
is
he
the
speak
main
English?
reason.
Does he speak in
Yes,
English? Okay.
yes, yes.
Does he
He can
speak
speak.
at home also with you? Does he speak in English
Yes,
with you?
yes.
Okay,
With me and with the family member also.
okay, that's great.
Yes.
So, if you could now, right now, you are living in Gurugram. So, if you could live in other city
No,
of Gurugram, no?
I'm living in no right now I'm living in Uttar Pradesh Ghaziabad.
Okay, okay, you live in Rajya.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
from Haryana. It's Gurgaon. Yeah.
okay, okay, you are from Haryana, sorry.
Yes.
So, if you could live in like other cities of India, so where would you like to
Yes.
live?
If I get a chance to live in other city, then definitely I will live in Shimla just because of greenery and the weather. And I would like to live in Chandigarh as well.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Why in
I,
Chandigarh?
I, uh, the same again, the beauty
Same.
and the cleanness,
Okay,
and
okay,
mostly, Punjab people live there.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So,
And if I ask you the same question, if you
okay,
could
okay.
live in other city, then which city you will live?
I don't want to go in any other city. I just want to live in either in Delhi or I
Okay.
would like to in Haryana. I would like to live in Haryana.
Okay.
I don't want to go in in any other cities.
Okay.
Okay. So, what do you do in your leisure time, in your free time? What do you do if you get free
Um,
time? If you are free, so what do you want to do?
First of all, I'm a homemaker, so it's
You don't.
hard to get some free time. But
Yeah, yeah.
whenever I'm, have time, so always spend some creativity, like waste material to use in, in
Okay,
art piece, and yeah.
that's great.
And nowadays I'm focusing on, English
Hmm.
learning. So whenever I get some time, I'm trying to read some books.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. And if you could get chance to go to like other countries, where would you like to go?
United United States of America, because from my childhood I always say that America, America, America. So that's the
Okay,
reason.
okay, okay, okay. That's great. So,
Yes.
would you like to
Nowadays
ask
the
something?
pandemic situation, I want to ask you some questions.
Yeah, yeah.
Like everywhere the pandemic situation is going,
Mm-hmm.
so and past 2 months, the situation teaches many things. So what lesson did you learn from this situation, corona
Corona.
and
Okay, okay. So, we learned many things from Corona. First and
okay.
foremost, I would like to say that the first thing we learned the value of trees and plants. You know, due to lack of oxygen, people have faced lots of problems. And
Yes.
if there were lots of people, trees, and some other plants as well, which release like oxygen, so people would not have to face so many problems. You know what people do? People like cut down the trees and they sell them in the market for their own benefit. So we should not cut the trees. We should plant more and more trees so that we don't have to face such kind of problem in our future. You know, and other things which we learned from Corona are we learned the value of exercise and yoga. You know, exercise
Yes.
keeps us fit and healthy, and it keeps us from lots keeps us away from lots of disease like obesity
Absolutely.
problem, and it helps us like remove our stress and anxiety, and it increases our immunity. And you know, if we do meditation, it keeps our mind cool and it refreshes our mind. And you know, yoga is originated in India, and nowadays in other countries as well, people started doing yoga because they understand the value of yoga and exercise. And some other things which we learned from Corona are we learned the value of family and friends, and we learned that prevention is better than cure. If we don't take precaution,
Very true. Very true.
we don't take precautions, so we can be affected by this virus. And we learned the value of cleanliness. Like we should wash our hands regularly and we should keep our house and our surrounding clean. There are some other things as well we learned, which we learned from Corona, but right now, whatever I remember, I just told you. So this is what we learned from Corona.
Okay. I want to ask you one more question. Like you are, teacher, and so
Yeah.
why do you want to learn English? You already a teacher, so
So that's why for teaching purpose.
and you have a good experience of teaching, like a 13
So
years.
for just teaching purpose, no? Because in nowadays in school, everywhere English is required. English is important wherever you go. So obviously, if I'm a teacher, so I'm learning English for teaching purpose.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
there is always scope for improvement. I don't teach our internet. It is an international language, so that's why.
Yeah. And if the people, speak English, it increase our confidence level as well.
Confidence, yeah. So until or unless we try to speak, we can't improve our English. Spoken English, we can't improve spoken English. Yeah, we can improve our grammar part, but we can't improve our spoken English until or unless we try to speak. And we go to
Yes.
people and we try to speak. So
Yes.
for learning spoken English, we just need to speak a lot.
Yes.
What do you think? You
Yeah.
are also learning English. So what is your experience about the learning English?
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Until or you not speak, you will not learn this language. And
Yeah.
yes, totally agree with you.
Okay.
Uh,
So I think we should.
and
Yeah.
yeah,
Would you want to ask something?
no, I guess
I think
it's,
we should end our session, or would you like to ask something? Any more questions?
no, nothing else.
Okay. So it was great talking to you.
Same, yeah,
Thank you
same
for
here.
joining me. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.